Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in a day? Balancing work and study? Yeah, that's tough. But guess what? It's totally doable with a few solid tricks up your sleeve. So today, I'm sharing real simple ways to make it work without losing your mind. Let's get into it. We've all been there, juggling deadlines, shifts, assignments. Sound familiar? I've got some practical tips to help you keep it all together. Let's make this balancing act a little easier. Quick intro before we dive in. I'm Mihai, husband, dad, and founder of Enrollmate. And over the past year, we've helped hundreds of students figure out this work-study balance thing without getting overwhelmed. So if you're feeling stretched, thin, or just need someone to chat with, reach out anytime. We're here to make it easier. And the best part, no cost, no pressure. Alright, let's jump into those tips. First tip, making prioritizing your superpower. When you've got classes, work, and life all piling up, a clear priority list is a lifesaver. Start each week by jotting down everything you've got to do. Then rank those tasks. What's top priority? What can wait? Focus on the big stuff first. Keep you from drowning in the last minute stress. It sounds basic, but trust me, having this list can totally change how you handle your week. And hey, you don't just have to do everything right now. Just keep your eye on the most important stuff. Next up, lock down a study schedule. Find pockets of time that work for you. Maybe it's early mornings, late evenings, or weekends, and treat those like non-negotiable study blocks. It might feel a little strange at first, but once you stick a routine, it really starts to click. And don't worry about being super rigid. If you need to shift things around 1 week, go for it. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving yourself a steady rhythm so you are not constantly scrambling. Do you already have a study routine, or is it more of a whenever I have time situation? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Here's one that not everybody thinks about. Keeping your boss in the loop. Let them know you're balancing work with study. When they know what's going on, they are more likely to work with you during busy times like exams. A lot of employees are actually pretty cool about it if you are upfront. And if you can show that your studies might even benefit the job, even better. Maybe you're learning new skills that can help out the work. Mention that. Have you ever talked to your boss about your studies? If not, maybe it's time to give it a try. Let's talk self-care. When you're balancing everything, taking care of yourself is huge. It's easy to skip meals, sleep, or workouts when you're busy. But these are the things that keeps you going. So make sure you're eating right, getting some sleep, and doing something active, even if it's just a quick walk or stretching. You'll thank yourself later. Being healthy means you actually have the energy to get through what your to-do list without crashing. Alright, and the last tip? Let tech do the heavy lifting. Apps like Google, Calendar, Trello, or even just a simple reminders app can help keep you on the track. Set reminders, make to-do lists, color code tasks, whatever helps you stay organized. When you're juggling a ton of stuff, these tools can make sure nothing slips the cracks. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. And if you already use any apps, put them in the comments so anyone can see them. So, balancing work and study, it's all about finding what works for you. Some days will feel smooth, others might be a bit of a mess, and that's totally okay. Just remember, you're building skills now that will last way beyond this semester or this job. And if you're looking for a little extra support, Enrollmate's got you covered. We'll have tons of students like you to find that balance. So if you ever need someone to chat with, reach out. Thanks for having out with me today. See you in the next one.